Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how you can make nearly around $1,000 of commission with the help of one program, that is ClickFunnels. And yes, ClickFunnels is a very good software and it's one of my very favorite. And yes, it is the most useful software for all the people who are doing internet marketing or maybe affiliate marketing, and not even for marketing purpose. With the help of ClickFunnels, you can literally make huge amount of money, and that is nearly around $1,000 every single month, and that in terms of recurring revenue. That means once you sold the product every single month till the person who is using the particular product, you will get commission. Before going into the topic, those people who are watching me for the very first time, I am Tapesh Chaudhary from tapeshchaudhary.com, and in this channel I talk about affiliate marketing, making money online, and various other cool ways by which you can generate your first income over online. If with the help of ClickFunnels you can literally make, and people who are working on ClickFunnels and who are promoting, especially, they are literally crushing the market. And yes, at the end of the video I have final takeaway and bonuses for you, so make sure you people watch the complete video so that you can get the whole amount of value. So as I said, ClickFunnels is a very good software, and it is most powerful software what every internet and affiliate marketers are using. So those people who are maybe into the internet marketing field, or maybe who are different kind of agencies, maybe if you have any client to whom you help with the help of different digital marketing strategies or different strategies, you can use ClickFunnels. And ClickFunnels is a very good tool what I am using personally, and for almost all my affiliate campaigns I run with the help of this particular software. This is a ClickFunnels, and yes, with the help of ClickFunnels you can literally make huge amount of money. Alright, so if I talk about the commission structure and affiliate resources, they are in the market from a very long time. Before going to commission structure, if I talk about the pricing for ClickFunnels, they are giving 14 days of free trial. Means you can use this particular website, particular software for 14 days, or maybe if you like the software you can go for $97 of one program, and one more plan is that is $297 per month. And yes, in this premium program you will get huge amount of benefits, huge amount of things what is already present in ClickFunnels, like starting from email integration, then maybe opt-in integration. Maybe with the help of ClickFunnels you can create webinar, sales funnel, landing page, email automation, everything in single page, everything with the help of one software, that is ClickFunnels. And for affiliate marketers, for bloggers, for content marketers, ClickFunnels is kind of one setup tool, one tool for every single need and every single niche. This is with the help of ClickFunnels you can really optimize your campaigns. You can really just see what is your return of investment, what is ROI, and it is very easy to use. With the help of this particular ClickFunnels software you can literally drag and drop, and you can build your first funnel, you can build your first email campaign, even if you are kind of person who don't know anything about email marketing, who don't know anything about funnels. Maybe if you are just fresher, then also you can start using ClickFunnels, and this is so easy. And they have various of resources, various of tutorials in their portal, and you can literally learn, understand everything. And yes, if I talk about their affiliate resources, they have various of product to promote. Maybe for example 30 days of summit, or maybe affiliate bootcamp, ClickFunnels affiliate center. They have different kind of affiliate commissions, and the best part, they have monthly recurring reviews. This is one of the dummy account which I have just recently signed up just to show you people, just to make this video. And yes, here every single earning is zero. And yes, just to show you how what is the internal resources they are providing, I have opened this account. If I talk about their affiliate commission, they are providing 40% of monthly recurring commission. That is extremely good, and the product price is nearly around $97 or maybe $300. So if you get any commission, if you just make any sale that is $97, you will get nearly around 40% commission. That is comes nearly around $38. Till the person uses this product, you will get commission every single month. And this is so beauty of ClickFunnels, because they are providing recurring commissions. And yes, thing is that you are making only one sale, you will get commission every single month. This is so easy and so simple. This is very awesome. This is what I love in ClickFunnels, and they have recurring system. And yes, they are also giving dream car for all the affiliates who has, just see, they have given they have clearly mentioned for active 100 members they are giving $500 for every single month. For active 200 members they are giving $1,000 every single month. You can see this is so easy, and with the help of ClickFunnels you can literally promote any of your product and services. And yes, they have given different kind of affiliate resources, and also they have given various kind of banners what you can integrate on your website. They have given email copies, something like this is the email copy, and you can simply copy and paste, integrate your affiliate links, and you can promote on your email list. Now we know the commission structure, that we are getting 40% of commission every single month after we make any sales. And as I said, they have plenty amount of affiliate resources, starting from banners, then flyers, then email swipes, email marketing, everything they have already provided. You have to simply copy and paste and you are ready to go. Now question is how you can promote ClickFunnels. As you have every single affiliate resources, it becomes very easy to promote. And my first strategy, that will be creating courses on YouTube or Udemy. Simply if you go to Udemy and if you simply search for ClickFunnels, there are plenty of people who are selling their courses and they are attaching ClickFunnels affiliate links. And people will need ClickFunnels because, for example, this is ClickFunnels training, or maybe this is ClickFunnels course. So people will need this kind of softwares in order to practice, or maybe in order to create any funnel, or maybe in order to create any webinar or something like that. So they will need the software, and the course creator knows it. And they have given their affiliate link, and they have given also some bonuses, and so that the people who are the students, they can buy from their affiliate links. And this is how people are making money. In the same way, you can also create different kind of videos on YouTube based upon ClickFunnels. And yes, you can see there are plenty of people who are signing up on your affiliate link of ClickFunnels. And yes, if you can provide value, then people will definitely sign up. And also you can create, if you have a blog, you can write reviews about ClickFunnels, or maybe if you have YouTube channel, you can just make different kind of videos about your product. It can be ClickFunnels or it can be anything, and you can create your affiliate link and you can promote with the help of different video platforms like YouTube. Also you can promote with the help of different social media ads, maybe something, for example, Facebook ads, or maybe something Instagram ads. And as they have already given the banners and all, simply you have to take the banner, or maybe you have to take the image link, and you have to upload on your social media profiles. It can be Facebook, or it can be anything as simple as Instagram or Twitter, anything. Alright, so now question is how much you can earn. There is no limit, first of all, and ClickFunnels is a very good affiliate product what people are promoting, and you can earn huge amount of money with the help of ClickFunnels. Alright, so if I just go to one rough calculation, so say something, for example, you are promoting this particular product that is worth of $297 per month. So as per ClickFunnels terms and policy, they said they are providing 40% of recurring commission every single month. So let's say something, for example, $297, and they are giving 40% of commission for all the people who are promoting their products. So if you are promoting this product, and you will get commission of $118 for this particular product, and yes, you will get $118 for every single month, as they are providing recurring commission. So say something, for example, if you are driving 100 or maybe 200 traffics, and they, out of that, if maybe 10 people has enrolled for their for this particular plan, you will be able to generate nearly around $1,188 every single month with the help of this particular program. Also, I have a bonus for you. In ClickFunnels, they have very good offer, that is affiliate bootcamp. Yes, in this affiliate bootcamp, you will be able to learn how you can make money with the help of ClickFunnels. That is 100 days training. It's a huge big training that is provided by Russell, who is the founder of ClickFunnels. I have given this particular affiliate bootcamp link in the first link of the description. If you buy from my affiliate link, I have some special bonuses for you. And yes, I'll give you one course of of affiliate marketing, Amazon affiliate marketing, then blogging, ClickBank, CPM marketing, email marketing, internet marketing. This is 14 course that, so this is a huge big course of net around 450 plus video tutorials are already available on this particular course, and you will get to know everything in details. So you are literally getting every single thing. It can be affiliate marketing, it can be local marketing, it can be SEO, website traffic, sales conversion, product creation, membership site. Every single thing you will get in just a proper way, in right way. So this is basically a massive course, and what I am providing for free of cost if you are just taking action, to join affiliate bootcamp. And as well, apart from these bonuses, you will get 100 days of course, that is to become a full-time career with the help of affiliate marketing and with the help of this particular website, ClickFunnels. And yes, altogether ClickFunnels is one of my very best tool and very favorite tool, what I'll recommend to every single person who are into internet marketing. So I hope I was able to give a value in this video. Let me know if you have any concerns in the comment section below, and also if you haven't liked or if you haven't subscribed, make sure you just smash the like button and also press on bell icon, so that whenever I release new videos I can send notification to you people. So thank you so much for watching the whole video. Have a great day.